Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In this video I'm giving you lots of inspiration and creative ideas to shop your own wardrobe and to come up with new ways to wear the things that you already own. So let's have some fun. Bored of your outfits, or do you sometimes feel that you just wear the same things day after day, but you don't want to necessarily go out and buy new clothes, and anyway you want to live a little bit more sustainably? So in this video I'm showing you ways on how to shop your own wardrobe, how to create new looks with the clothes that you already have, some techniques for you, and to help you with the elements that will ensure success that you can apply to your own clothes and your own wardrobe. And I have a bonus at the end as well. The goal, of course, is to have a wardrobe that you can build outfits that you love from. Outfits that you feel good in and a wardrobe that works for you. And you might be surprised by what you find when you shop your own wardrobe. You can approach shopping your own wardrobe in lots of different ways, of course. The simplest way is just to lay the pieces out, particularly pieces that you haven't worn for a long time or that you might have problems styling up, and just try putting different things with them. Especially trying things that you wouldn't normally put with each other. But I'd like to suggest some extra styling techniques that will make your shopping your wardrobe extra fun, extra successful, whatever your wardrobe might look like. And the first approach that I want to share with you, and one of the biggest tricks, is to mix styles. Mixing and matching styles so there is a great contrast is one of the keys to success. We all have different styles of clothes in our wardrobes, of course, styles that you feel comfortable with. I'm sure we've all got things that we wear for sports or perhaps to go to the gym, evening wear as well, and maybe something like a little frilly chiffon number. Putting unexpected styles together, styles that you wouldn't normally put together, can create some fabulous new looks. So contrasting styles that you might like to try include mixing sporty wear with classic pieces, or romance with rock chic. So romance such as chiffon or silk or something soft and feminine, and the rock chic can be just something like long leather boots or a leather jacket. Number 3, rock chic with sporty wear. And number 4, evening wear mixed with sporty wear. These are 4 really good contrasting ways of approaching it. So for example, if you have a classic suit in your wardrobe that you really struggle now to find occasions to wear, perhaps you used to wear it more in the past, why not mix it with sneakers and a t-shirt? So it makes it a little bit less formal, so you've got many more opportunities to wear it. Much more versatile that way. Or perhaps you have a smart classic dress which is a little more formal and perhaps a bit officey. So instead of pairing it with smart pumps or ballet flats, which means it would still look fairly formal, fairly traditional, why not try wearing it with sneakers? It's a lot better for everyday wear. You can run around doing lots of errands wearing that kind of an outfit, and it's much more versatile. So choose styles that really suit your personality and that are already represented in your wardrobe, and just mix them up. So let me show you an example from my own wardrobe in this first look. Now, as you can see here, I've selected these gorgeous Tommy Hilfiger loungewear pants because I love them, absolutely adore them, and I just wanted to find more occasions to wear them than just being around the house. So what I've done is I've put them with another kind of style, and what I've chosen here is a crisp classic white shirt. This is my beautiful oversized one from H&M, really lovely. You may have seen it before if you're a regular on the channel, but what I've done is I've stuck with sneakers. So I've got a classic shirt, I've got the more sporty loungewear, and I've got sneakers. So the shirt collar worn up also really elevates the outfit too, and makes it even more of a contrast with the relaxed lounge pants. So the elements that I've used in this look, which you could adapt to items in your wardrobe, are mix of styles, classic with sporty. I've done a monochrome. It's not quite monochrome because obviously the shirt is white and the pants are sort of off-white ecru, but it's pretty tonal, and minimal accessories. Another technique to shop your closet is build an outfit around colour, if you like colour. Now, if you love colour, you may have lots of different ones in your wardrobe, which you could try pairing together. Pulling together an outfit based on colour is one of the easiest ways of putting together a new look outfit. You could create surprising outfits from pairing opposite colours from the colour wheel spectrum that you've never worn before, perhaps things like purple and yellow or blue and orange. Or you could select different shades of the same colour for a wonderful effect. For building an outfit based around colour, just lay out your clothes and have a play. Another technique that's very successful when you're shopping your closet is to think about layering. It's good if you try and mix smart with casual, and also if you've got 2 seasons of clothes as well. Perhaps with a summer dress, you can reuse it for the winter by the use of layers. Layering is especially successful with dresses and also with t-shirts. It makes them way more versatile. T-shirts, for example, are perfect as a base layer for the colder months, which you can then add a blazer or a jumper and a skirt and perhaps a thick woolly scarf as well. Dresses are a major wardrobe hero, and they can be used as foundation bases just like t-shirts. A sweater over the top changes a dress to a skirt and you already have a different look. So let's see an example in my next look. Now, this beautiful lime green summer dress from River Island, I absolutely love this dress. It's vibrant, it's cheerful, it's got so many bright, cheerful colours in it. And it's a touch romantic because it's got a lot of movement in the skirt part of it. But, you know, I never feel that I get enough wear out of it during the summer because it's also fairly dressed up. So I tend to reserve it for events rather than for everyday usage. So I decided to take this and create another look out of it using layering. So what I've done is I've added on the top my classic black turtleneck. This is a really, really good buy because it's from H&M, it's viscose, and it's less than £10. But it's a real staple in your wardrobe to have a black turtleneck. And also I've added a black leather jacket. I've had that for ages as well, but I've utilised it over the jumper, and I've added my long black leather boots. Again, things that I've had for a long time. So the elements I've used to create this new look are, which I've never worn before actually, are a mix of styles, and obviously in this case it's romantic with a beautiful romantic dress and a bit of rock. When I say rock, you don't have to be afraid. It's just basically a leather jacket, leather boots. Also, I've added a bright colour deepened with a neutral, so you don't have to feel that you're too garish, particularly in the winter, if you add something like black or neutral or a taupe or something like that. Another element is high contrast colour and also a balanced silhouette. So I've got a fairly fitted top, but it's also a lovely floaty skirt. And just before I go on, if you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And that gives me a real good indication of the videos that you have liked so that I can make more of those for you. And also, please do subscribe as it really helps the channel to keep going. Another approach that I want to share with you is pick a favourite clothing piece and combine it with items that you wouldn't normally wear it with. Take your favourite piece out of your wardrobe and forget all preconceptions, such as what you normally style it with. Just throw caution to the wind and try and look at your lovely piece objectively. Look at it as if you were a stylist working on someone else's wardrobe. What would you pair with this piece? So have a look at my example here. Now, one of my favourite pieces in my wardrobe is these gorgeous classic black tailored trousers. They're an absolute wardrobe staple, but they've got style. I really love them. I love the silhouette they give me. They're comfortable as well, and I just feel so elegant when I wear them. They're really, really classic and just beautiful. Now, I also love the fact that they stop just short of the ankle as well, which is always good for me, because it's a perennial problem when you're 5'4" that trousers are always too long. Now, the problem is that they're fairly formal, so I wanted to find more opportunities to wear them because I don't really go to many formal occasions. So I've styled them up in a way that I've never done before, just for you, with a graphic t-shirt. Now, this has been in my wardrobe for, I'm not kidding, maybe 10 to 15 years. I'd never wear t-shirts like this these days, ever wear graphic t-shirts, and this was right in the back of my drawers. It's a bit tired now, but it's actually, because it's underneath the jacket, I popped the jacket on top, you can't necessarily see too much of it. And also the jacket and the t-shirt, the graphic tee, I think gives a really chic vibe. I don't, as I said, never wear a graphic graphic tee with a smart jacket normally. So but the jacket brings the casual t-shirt into harmony with the trousers. Now you can see that I've kept my footwear casual as well with these sneakers, because the end result of the whole restyled outfit was something that I could just pop to the local shops or do errands in, and much more of a day-to-day outfit. Now the elements that I've applied to this closet shop, which you can apply to your wardrobe as well, of course, is I've mixed the styles again. This time I've mixed classic with the trousers and the jacket with sporty, so you know, the graphic tee and the sneakers. I think it's a flattering silhouette. It's balanced with the fitted trousers and the slightly looser jacket as well, and it's got 3 colours, so it doesn't look too busy. And in fact, the colours within the graphic tee are also echoed by the trousers and the jacket, but it's not too matchy-matchy. So my next tip on how to shop your closet is wear contrasting fabrics. Mixing up fabrics and textures is a sure way to look different and to wear things differently. It will also look unexpected and incredibly stylish. Try fabrics with leather and lace, silk or cashmere. And to illustrate this, I'd like to show you my amazing tulle skirt, which you may have seen just before Christmas. Classic case of wearing something I really loved, but very unexpected, especially the fabric. So in this look, you can see the elements that I've applied here are a mix of styles. Now you've got classic, because I've obviously teamed it with my Bowden black boat neck t-shirt, which is a real wardrobe staple, very classic, black long boots and a pearly look necklace. But the romantic side is obviously this to die for tulle skirt. Really, really beautiful. It's a balanced silhouette is another element, because obviously it's aiming to look almost hourglass really, because I've got quite broad shoulders, and then it pulls it in at the waist, and then of course the tulle skirt coming out gives it that sort of a shape. And high contrast colours. I've mixed light with dark. So the 6th way of shopping your closet that you might like to consider is try building an outfit around your shoes. Building an outfit from the feet up and building it around your shoes is a really fun way to literally turn your getting ready routine upside down. I have to say that this technique is probably one that would work better if you plan it the night before, and it's a little more experimental than some of the other options I've given you. If you've spent a fair bit on some totally fabulous shoes, or even if you've got a really comfortable pair that's your absolute favourite, it's well worth building an outfit around your shoes to make sure that they're more versatile, that you can wear them more often. So here's an outfit that I featured in my video on neutral outfit ideas for fall and winter. As you can see, I've styled these beautiful flats with a soft toned outfit. These shoes are absolutely to die for. I've selected these because they're incredibly comfortable, and that's why they're one of my favourites. This video is not sponsored. I just love them. Now I've got a challenge for you, my dear friends. I would like you to comment in the comments box below how you would use these particular shoes to style an outfit up from the shoes up. I can't wait to read your ideas. So for my penultimate tip on how to shop your closet, don't keep things for best. So please do wear your best pieces or your better pieces more of the time. Why not dig out those items that you've been keeping for special occasions? You know, those occasions when you feel amazing in what you're wearing, and wear them more often so that you feel amazing more often. When I was a child, we used to have what we called our Sunday best, which of course was reserved just for Sundays. It would perhaps be going out for lunch with my parents, seeing my grandparents, or going to church. I always felt special in the clothes that I wore for these things, but nowadays, if we keep things just for special occasions, we find that we really don't wear them very often. Okay, now for my bonus simple styling tweaks. But you know what, ladies, if all this doesn't float your boat, then don't put pressure on yourselves to create the perfect outfit. Just slightly tweak the things that you wear all the time, and they'll look different. So for example, a simple styling tweak is to tuck in your shirt or your blouse or your jumper, particularly if you often wear them outside, or even do a half tuck for a completely different look. Or you might like to try folding up the sleeves of your shirt or a blouse for a completely different look. The whole look of an outfit can change whether you wear your sleeves right down to the ends of your wrists or whether you fold them up, which gives your forearm, the whole look of the outfit actually, a much more cool, relaxed vibe. So all the links to the items that I've mentioned are in the video description if you scroll below this video. But of course, this is not about buying things, this video. This is about shopping your own closet. So please don't feel any pressure on that score. Now, if you have liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please do subscribe. I hope you really have an amazing day, ladies. And I hope you've really enjoyed these hints and tips on how to shop your own closet, how to save money, and how to be more sustainable. And I'll see you really, really soon. Lots of love. Bye.